How to print and cut stickers on Cricut. Step 1. Before you start with the project, you need to perform a calibration. To do this, click on Menu in Cricut Design Space and select Calibration. Step 2. Select Print, then Cut. Choose your printer and follow the instructions to calibrate your printer. Step 3. Wait until the calibration process is complete. Step 4. Once done, upload your design file to the canvas if you already have one in place. Step 5. If you do not have a design file in place, you can select the images you want to turn into stickers. Step 6. Click on each of the images and move them around so they do not overlap. Step 7. If you are using images, you need to make a background, and there are 2 ways to do it using shapes and offset. Step 8. To use shapes, click on the Shapes tool, select one and bring it over to the design. Step 9. Unlock the shape by clicking on the lock button on the lower left handle, then stretch it out to cover the design. Step 10. Right-click on the shape, then select Send to Back and resize the shape. Step 11. With the shape selected, scroll to the top bar, click on the Fill drop-down menu and select Print. Step 12. Click on the color box next to fill, select Pattern and choose one. Step 13. Select the design and click on Flatten, and it's ready to print and cut. Step 14. To create a background using offset, select an image and click on Offset. Step 15. Set how big or small you want the offset to be, then click on Apply. Step 16. The shadow layer is set to black automatically. If you want to change the color, click on the color swatch button next to Operation. Step 17. Select a color, then change the color of the canvas to make it easier to view the design. Step 18. The image and the offset are 2 separate layers, so select both and click on Flatten, and it's ready to print and cut. Step 19. Set the background for all the remaining stickers. Step 20. Once done, click on Shapes and select Square to create a template. Step 21. Unlock the shape by clicking on the padlock on the toolbar and set the size according to the mat size. Step 22. Now you need to bring the template to the back. To do this, select the square in the Layers panel and slide it down to the bottom. Step 23. Move around the stickers and resize them to fit into the template. Step 24. Once you're set, select the shape and delete it. Step 25. Now select all the sticker designs and click on Attach, then click on Make it. Step 26. Click on Continue, then hit the Send to Printer button. Step 27. Make sure that your printer is selected. Turn the Add Bleed on and use System dialog, then click on Print. Step 28. In the printer settings pop-up, select the media type, set the quality and click on Print. Step 29. Place the selected paper into the printer and wait for it to print. Step 30. Now go back to Cricut Design Space, click on Browse All Material and search for the material you're using. Step 31. Select the material from the result and click Done. Step 32. Then set the pressure to More. Step 33. Place the printed paper onto the light grip mat. Step 34. Load the mat into the machine by pressing the up and down arrow button and press the C button to start cutting. Step 35. Once it's done cutting, press the up and down arrow button to eject the mat. Step 36. Remove the paper from the mat and the stickers are ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.